Hi everyone, I am Faiza Dakhni, a student of the DG Ruparel College, and I am appearing for the December 23 CA Foundation exam. And for that purpose, I joined Shesh Educare, which turned out to be my best decision. At first, I remember when I decided to do CA, I was very scared, given the difficulty level and passing percentage of the course. But after attending regular lectures here and talking to Neeraj sir has boosted my confidence. The way he guides, motivates and believes in all of us helps us to push our limits. Similarly, the teachers here are friendly, supportive and experienced. The kind of passion and madness each teacher here has for their respective subject reflects when they teach us, and that spikes our interest and learning becomes fun. They guide us to put the correct amount of efforts in the right way. Sure, CA is a tough course, but the entire team of Shesh Educare believes that with hard work, anyone can crack this exam. And with their guidance, I'm sure I'm going to clear my CA Foundation exams and all the exams after. Thank you.